Hello everyone, welcome back to the gold technical analysis session with Mukbik. So, it's a new week and last week we've done really good. That's why I'm so excited. So, alright, so I haven't deleted all the drawings that I did with you guys on Friday. So, I'll give you a little recap and a new plan for today. Alright, so let's go straight to the charts. So here we go. On Friday I said that okay, for the selling plans, if you remember, we were waiting at 1697 to 1700, right? But the price didn't go up and it chose to come down instead. And we do have our buying plan at around 1647 to 1640. Alright, and what happened was the price did really come back and shoot back up. So if you enter at this point, that's going back up by like 16, almost 17 pips. Alright, and that's around like 1700 points. So well done. Congratulations on your profit if you enter at this point. Okay, so let's see what we have for you today. Let's remove the drawings, and it's a new week, so we need to go to the weekly time frame. Alright, so for the weekly time frame, we had another bearish candlestick, as I said, because there is no reversal pattern there, so the price really needs to be another bearish one. But a new thing that happened is that we have this supply zone and a brand new resistance in the weekly time frame. Okay, so this used to be the support for quite a long time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and at the moment it turns itself into the resistance because the gold could not hold the value above this support anymore, and it will change into the resistance. Okay, what about the demand zone? So we have our demand zone here, right, in the weekly time frame, and if you notice, the price did touch our upper border of this demand zone and it shoot the price back up. So that's the reason why the price have going back up. However, I would say since the price is now being in a downtrend position, it might continue to drop down very soon. Okay, so let's go to the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, you will have this brand new supply zone again, because on Friday the price have shows the size already, which is the down trend. Okay, so it chose to go down as the trend sent it to be like so, and another supply zone where we were waiting was up here. Okay, at the moment the price at this supply zone is really beautiful because we have one, the resistance from the weekly time frame, if you remember, at 1680, and also we have the supply zone in the daily time frame here as well. So I would say we will be waiting for selling somewhere at this point. Okay, so that's for the daily time frame. What's about the demand zone? I would say for the demand zone of the daily time frame, it is still there, a new one that hasn't been used. So this one is pretty strong as well. So if you are going for buying, I would suggest you to wait somewhere around here at 1620 or below. Okay, don't go for buy now. It's really dangerous at the moment. Alright, so let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So in the 4 hours time frame, we might have the smaller plans. So this is the resistance for the 4 hours time frame at 1654. Okay, so I'll give you this one first because it's gonna come first at 1654. Okay, and you need to put your stop loss over 1660. Alright, and the technique that I use here is the super hidden divergence. So it's one of our courses as well. What about the buying plan? I would say that the buying plan is still not here. However, if the price did go as we think it could go, is that okay, it coming back up and test this resistance, and then the price have been shooting back down, you can use your Fibonacci extension to find the classic divergence. Okay, you need to find the classic divergence. What is it? Is the thing that the price making the lower low, but the RSI is not making a lower low. So this is the divergence that you will need to be looking for buying. Okay, it needs to be this picture. If the RSI is following the price, which is making the lower low as well, do not go for a buy, because that's no signal for buying. Okay, what's another thing that you can check? Another thing that will be safe as well is this high twice that I talked about it quite a lot, because it's the gold behavior that I use every single day. Okay, so for the buying plan, I can't tell you the number. However, we have the demand zone that, roughly in this zone. So if you have the classic divergence, so you need to check for the classic divergence, and also or check high twice to be able to enter a buy at this demand zone. If either of them present, do not enter a buy, even though it is a demand zone. Okay, that's really risky, because the trend is now being a downtrend. You need to be really careful on buying. Alright, so basic simple plans again for today. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much. And if you haven't joined us in the BUBI project, is a Telegram, and I'll keep you updated on all of our plans in there. So if you haven't joined me, please join me. I'll leave the registration link down below. You need to register through our website first, and then we'll let you in our Telegram. Alright, so I'll see you in there. Bye.